Hi guys, Katie from Wirral Code Club here. I just want to talk to you today about how to share your kids' project with us. There are several ways you can do this. Windows and Mac both have screen recording software, so you can just record the screen and then send us over the file, or you can do it through Scratch by sharing their project, which I'll guide you through the step-by-steps on that. I myself am using a MacBook, so I use QuickTime to record my screen for you. Windows does have it available as well, other software. If you're struggling with this, parents, just pop us a mail and we'll help you guide you through the process. Right, now to how to share it on Scratch. Sharing projects in Scratch. Here we have our project, Lost in Space, and we're going to click on share. You have to confirm your email to be able to do this. There we go, the project has now been shared so other people can view my project. And then if you go down to copy link, it'll give you the link that you can just email or message over to us. And if you're good with websites, you can also get the HTML code to embed it into your website just there. So brilliant, that's how you share through Scratch, quite simple. If you do have any problems, parents, just drop us a mail. Take care, guys. It's been Wirral Code Club with John the Boss, Chris the Dude, Katie the Voice, Henry the Barking Dog. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube.